How to improve Windows performance by disabling background apps. Either use Windows 11, Windows 10, sometimes Windows 8 and Windows 7. If much background apps is running your computer is going to lag and is going to perform very low. So this video I will put you through processes on how to improve your Windows PC performance by disabling all the background apps on your system. First, let's go and open the task manager on our device. Right click on this start menu, then click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, try to expand this, then go to the performance and click on performance. Then if you are not here, go and click on CPU and see the processor is using about 248. This is amazing and it's very high. So there are some things that result to this high usage of processor on your device. So let's go and fix this one after the other. So we are still in the same place. Come to the processor again, then come to this place that says start up apps. Click on it. Once you click on the start up app, it brings to this tab. Then go and check the status option here. If there is any option here that is using your startup that is enabled, then you have to disable it. Make sure that the only thing that you can allow or that will call not to disable here is your security settings. Do not disable your security settings. Then like this one now, let me locate one that I want to disable here. Integraphic, I will enable that. This I will enable that. Then Microsoft Pilot, I don't need it. I don't need this one. Just click on it, then come to this place and disable it. Then that will disable that settings. Then let's take a look at another one here. This Opera, I don't need it here, guys. Just right click on it, then disable it. This will also disable that. Then let's scroll up. You can see that here I have the updater here. Then this one, WhatsApp, right click and disable it. Then this one as well, Xbox, just click on it, come to this place and disable this. So once you're able to disable some of these apps that runs on background here, then your computer is going to work perfectly and it's going to do better. That is one of the things that you need to do, guys, to be sure that your PC runs perfectly by disabling the background apps. The next you have to do for me is to come to this place, to the button here, right click on it, then click on this run boss. Inside this run boss, type in surfaces.mxe. Hit the enter button. Then it brings to this interface. Then scroll down to the base of this page. So come to this place. This Xboxes, make sure you disable everything. Xbox Live, disable it. Xbox Accessory, disable it. Xbox Live Game, disable it. Xbox Live Auto Manager, disable it. You can see that I have disabled all the 4 services here. Now let me teach you how to disable that. Just come to this place, right click on it, then click on property. Once you click on property, it comes out like this. Then come to this startup button. If you see it under manual automatic, just click it under disable, then click on apply. Once you click on apply, then click on OK. Then that will quickly disable that particular setting you've just initialized on your device. So that is how to disable this, and make sure that this is set up for all the apps that you have here. As I've mentioned, these Xboxes, make sure you disable everything. The next thing you have to disable here is very simple and important, is parental control. So locate parental control and disable it. Now here is parental control. You can see that I have disabled it. So do the same thing for parental control and disable it. And doing so is very simple. Just right click on it, then click on these properties. Then you should be able to see this one that says startup type. Click on it, then click on disable, click on apply, and click on this button to disable it. The next thing you have to disable here is to disable connected user experience. This point that says connected users experience and telemetry, make sure you disable it. Then do so is very simple. As I've mentioned, just right click, then click on property, then come to this place, select disable, apply, OK, then disable it. Now that I've done this, then go ahead and close this page. You need to restart your system, but wait, guys, we're going to restart our system after we've completed all the settings we're going to make in this video, so that our device will run smoothly when we disable all this app on it. Then go to the start menu here, then the search bar here, type in sysdme.cpl, then click on this button. Once you click on this button, it comes out like this. Now that I've opened it, then go ahead and click on advanced button. Then once you click on advanced button, under performance, click on these settings. Now you have bunch of options here. Make sure you select this custom button, then check this animation in the taskbar, then check this one that says show thumbnail instead of icon, then smooth edges of the screen front, then click on apply. So anyone that you set, click on apply, then click on OK. Now that you've done that, go ahead and click on apply here, then and click on OK. So this will make your device to run smoothly and perfectly. Even when you are using gaming on your device, you're going to enjoy best of it. Now as well, we need to run the bus. Now come to this place. Inside this place, type run, RUN. Then make sure you click this button that says run bus. Then the space that just come here, type in MSC config, hit the enter button on your keyboard. Then it comes out like this. Now that it comes out like this, click on services. Now that I've clicked on services, click on this button, hide all Microsoft services, because if you enable all Microsoft services, and every Microsoft services will be taken away from this place. So click on enable all Microsoft services, check it. Now disable all here. Once you click on disable all, then click on apply and click on OK. So this will help you to make your computer run very fast. Then the next thing you have to fix here is that you need to fix what is called task scheduler action on your device. So in this place, click on it and write task scheduler. Now this button comes up, click on it. Once you click on this button, it out like this. Then make sure that this task scheduler library is open. Now take a look at what I want to explain this place. You have something like this here. Look at what is here. You have the brief software here. If you click on the brief software here, then what that does comes out from this place. Keep your brief software up to date. If this task is disabled or stopped, your brief software will not be kept up to date. So there are some devices or there are some programs that you need to disable from this place that you are not using, like this one that says this particular one I don't normally use it, this one drive. Now that I've clicked on it, then you can right click, then click on disable, then that will disable that. Then you can also come to this place and click on disable. Let me click this enable. Now once you click on this place, then you click on disable again, so this will disable it. So make sure that you come to this place and carefully check what these are doing on your device and disable them if you are not really using them. So make sure you disable them. That is one of the ways to keep your device running smoothly on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. The next thing you have to do is click on the start menu, click on settings. Once you click on settings, then go ahead and click on personalization button here. Now that I've clicked on personalization button, then scroll down until you get to taskbar. Click on this taskbar. Then make sure that widget is turned off. If widget is turned on your device, make sure that the widget is turned off. Now that I've turned off widget, then come to this field that says apps. Come to it and click on install app. Once you click on install app, this place shows you every app you installed on your device. Most of these apps are useless, you don't use them. Like this one now, this one that says Windows 11 Solution Assistant is of no use to me. Then click on this reader, then click on this button to uninstall. Click on yes. Then this one that says health, then click on it, then uninstall this one. Then just wait for it to remove this program. So make sure that you check through all these places and remove any apps that you are not using. Some of this time there are some pre-installed app on this device. While you're setting up your Windows computer, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. This one I don't use it, then let me uninstall it here. Like this one, Copilot, you can as well install. This particular one that I don't use, this is BW browser. Click on this store, then click on this button, then click on install icon. So wait for this to fully uninstalled on your device. So by doing this, guys, your device is going to run perfectly okay. Now that you've done that, then still come to this side again on the device. Here, come to this side of the device. So click on these apps again. Click on the apps again and scroll down to where you see apps for website. Click on it. Once you click on apps for website, make sure that you turn off everything that is here. These are of no use to your device. They just here and take away your device RAM and let your device run slowly or lagging. So make sure you turn this off. Now the last but not least you have to do here is to setting. Click on this game setting, then open this game bar. Then if this button is on your device, make sure you turn it off. If it is on, make sure you turn it off. So by doing this, guys, you'll be able to fix your device so that it's going to run perfectly. Now, to effect every settings you have enabled using this procedure, you need to restart your computer. So now go ahead and restart your computer, and every setting you've put in place will effect, thereby improve Windows 11 performance or Windows 10 performance just by disabling the background apps on your device. That's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and your comment is very important to us. See you soon, guys, on our next video.